Hi, I'm Beth.
Hi, I'm Ken.
Hi, I'm Jacob Stanzel.
I'm Brittany Clarkson.
My name's John Diedrich.
I'm Haley Seepa.
I'm Dana.
I'm Kyle.
And we are having a shotgun wedding.
Really cool to get married with Shotgun himself on Y100.
Very different. Sounds pretty cool.
It's cheaper.
Big surprise.
Yeah. More fun.
Not having to plan a big wedding.
8 people is a lot easier to do than 300.
Question.
Yeah, we just thought it would be fun. We were going to wait a couple years until my youngest daughter got older, but we never wanted a big wedding. We just wanted something small and easy and fast, and this seemed to be the way to go.
Well, we were friends for a really long time before we started to like each other. He was crazy. He was a party animal.
She didn't really like me at first. I think I was just too nice.
I don't remember.
Wow. I met her 10 years ago, 12 years ago at a bowling alley. She used to give me my shoes every week.
I was working there. I honestly don't even remember meeting him, but I do remember meeting him at a bar later at Stirrups.
Yep.
And I was impressed at that point.
Oh boy. She's the prettiest girl I ever saw. Took my breath away.
And I liked his dimples.
Yep. Couldn't stop staring at her.
My first impression of Brittany was I used to be her boss, and I thought she was pretty and beautiful.
He has a great personality. That's what I fell in love with more, is his personality.
First date was we bet on the Packers-Bears game, and we ended up going to Los Bandidos. I don't remember. I think the Packers won.
Probably.
Pretty sure they won.
It wasn't really a date. He just came over to my house, and we just kind of talked and got to know each other a little bit more, and just hung out.
Took her up to Coles West for her birthday, and
Went and got parts.
We were trying to figure that out. We think we went to Olive Garden.
That was me. She came over and I don't know, we were just sitting on the couch. Just felt right, and told her I loved her.
it was me.
Yeah, definitely him. I was a little standoffish at first, so.
Definitely.
Probably me the second time, but I don't remember the first
I don't
time.
remember the first time either.
I don't know. I think I would put my best friend Aaron in it.
My best friend Johnny is
I'd have to say Luke, sorry. I'd have my best friend Blake up with me.
I would have to do Hannah because I would have to have my best friend Kayla with me.
I would replace Luke with my brother.
And I would probably pick my daughter, Lexi.
I don't know that I would replace anybody.